Today I show you how to customize the home screen of your iPhone to show bigger icons. If you want to see bigger icons, there is a really nice setting in iOS 26. You go into the jiggle mode, long press in an empty area of the home screen, then you go into the jiggle mode, then tap on edit here, and then tap customize. Once you do that, you see here the option where you can switch between the default, the dark icons. You can switch to clear also if you wanted to. This, everyone talks about it, but I prefer to have the default here. What I wanted to show you is this icon here. This will change the icons of the apps to make them bigger. I changed it like that, and now the app icons are much bigger, but they do take the same space. So instead of having the app icon and the text under it, I get a bigger, larger icon for the app itself. So everything else is the same. I mean, I have the settings up here. The text is not bigger, just the app icons are bigger. I like this a lot. Everything else seems to be the same. It's only for the icons. And you can easily put them back. You go back to the edit, customize, and then switch them back to the normal. You can switch between the regular apps with the text and apps without text but larger icon. That's pretty nice. I hope this helps you use the apps better on your iPhone, have the screen look more interesting. Thanks for watching.